Working with independents, we go in conjunction with our CAT dealers and our local TEPS dealers to meet independent repair facilities and identify if they're interested in joining our independent account program. We have 2 levels of independent accounts. Both get the same access to our Truck Engine Preferred Partner portal, which provides them a lot of technical information online, access to our parts promotions, and all of our marketing material. We do have a level 2, and that provides additional technical information for shops that want genuine CAT software. And that's software called SIS to help them look up CAT parts for a specific repair, and CAT ET.
Basically, it gives us all the information we need on the engine serial number that we're working on, as well as if the inventory is available and where the inventory is at.
Parts availability makes it worth owning a CAT. They can usually get me parts next day if they don't already have them.
Our ultimate goal is to get the customer back and going as soon as possible and provide the best customer service that we can. So very important that we're working together and trying to achieve the same goal.